Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Tyler, say good morning to the faves.
Morning.
What you doing? Forever. Honey, can you say morning?
Morning, guys.
You guys, it's the weekend. It's Saturday and we are out and about in these streets doing what we do. Baby's still coughing. He's still not feeling so good. It's the phase where it's getting better. So it's that heavy cough and that yellow cold and that.
Where's the mountain, Mama?
Where's the mountain? You show me. You see it? It have snow on the top. Look, you see white up there? Yeah. You guys, we are on the road because one, we had to leave extra early this morning because I had to go do urine test for baby D. So I had to go and drop that in early. Because the stadium is there, that's why it's vanished. You're gonna see it when we go back on that road, okay? So I went to the lab to drop that off, and it didn't make sense to go back home and then leave again to run errands. So we just got ready and just doing everything all at once. So now that's the cough that I'm talking about. He's been sounding like that. So now we are heading to fruits and veggies supermarket because we have that to do today. And then after fruits and veggie shopping, we should be going to buy something for baby girl today. Something that we already went and looked at, and we want to get it today. So hopefully we'll get that. But when we reach the store, I'll show you guys what it is.
It's a mountain.
Yeah, it's a mountain. We'll show you guys what it is that we're getting and all that good stuff. So stick around and enjoy the rest of today's vlog and enjoy whatever it is that we are about to do throughout today. Make sure you guys are having a good day. Stay smiling, stay loved, stay blessed, stay positive. And we'll see you guys throughout the rest of the vlog.
No. You have to say see you guys tomorrow.
We say that when we're ending the vlog, but now the vlog just starts, so we can't tell them bye already. Right? All right. You want grapes? Yeah. Okay, let's take this one. How about this one?
Yeah.
But you have to find Papa and give it to him, okay? Let's go find Papa. He's right there. Go on. In front of you. Ah, planting. I need bag, honey. Come, stay just beside Mama. Them for 4. Yeah, but they normally have bags with more than yeah. Come tie. Mango, see if I can find a nice one. Oh, glory! It smells good. See if I find a second one. That one looks good. Let's see if I can find another. Yeah. Come, baby. Pineapple. Let's see if I can find a nice one. You want pineapple?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you love it. Okay, but these are green, so we're gonna have to make them ripe. Alright, pineapple, honey. Come, Ty. Let's go. Come, baby. Come on, come on. Pardon. Kiwi. Huh? What happened? You want what? The cards. You want kiwi? Huh? Yes. Ooh, the soft. Here. Have to find the good ones, Ty. Here, the soft, the top ones are very soft. You have to dig under the bottom to find the good ones. Alright, let's go. Come on. Take your car. Yes.
Yeah, this cow is in?
Yes. Yes.
Mama.
No.
Step.
Oh, that's what you call step? Alright, let's go. Come on. Time, I want time.
You forget that in the street and
What you doing?
We can go. We can go, Mama.
I can?
Yeah.
Yeah. You ready to go?
After.
After? Papa coming. Go, 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 go. Wait for me. Stop. That one. Go. You can do it. Go one and step. Very good. Yay! You did it all by yourself. Now you have to look in front of you so you don't fall when you get knocked. Yay! Safe! You guys, we are at the furniture store trying to get a dresser for baby girl and a closet for baby girl, because the closet space in her room, we're going to do the same thing that we did for Tyler, buy a closet and then push it into the space. So I think
this one good.
I think this is it. This is the closet that we're gonna get. This one. So let's see how it goes today with the purchase. That's all inside. Inside is two hang, exactly what we wanted yesterday. And then it has 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves. Yeah. Maybe someone who works in the store. And the dress I want to get her is just like the one in my room, in our room. So it should be this one for the dresser. So it's gonna be this for her dresser.
What you want? That's what you want?
Yeah. You guys, we purchased the closet and the dresser for baby girl, but the closet we have to wait a month before we get it because it's done to order, and the dresser we're gonna pick it up now, but before we're gonna pick up the dresser we have to drive back to the direction that we came from earlier because I forget that I need a little pan of paint, and the shop that we buy paint from is that way. So we're just going to pick up some white paint real quick and then go pick up the dresser and head home. Just in time for lunch, and I'm also getting hungry, so let's do this, y'all, before my miserableness kicks in. Nothing. 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 None. So we're at the paint store trying to find white paint, and I think we found one. That should be it. And then I need to find sandpaper because I'm going on a mission. So let's see if I can find sandpaper.
Dinos are supposed to do, but not Tyler. He stayed small. Oh, Tyler stayed small.
Wait.
Okay.
This is my name.
That's
1, 2, 3.
That's Tyler. That's
Spell Tyler for Auntie Jane. Close your eyes and spell Tyler.
Tyler.
T,
No looking. Okay. Yes. Oh, boy, you got to.
Alright, you guys, for dinner today I am making some herb chicken wings, and then I'm making quinoa here. I think I'm gonna decide to go with some steamed veggies to go with this. So yeah, that's what dinner is looking like. Alright, oven is ready. It better smells good, honey. It better. Let's wait on it. You'll be the judge, Shadi. Alright, chicken is in. Oh, pretty, make it look pretty. That's okay. I'm a realist. Who eats
Ice cream in winter?
Kisco in winter? We call it Kisco in English. We call it water ice cream in French. But he just took over mine. You guys, we had such a wonderful evening with Jen being here. We had dinner, we had good laughs, we had good chats. We bring her to the bus stop. She went home. Babe and I have been here catching up on how to get away with murder. And I just feel for this to eat, so everybody's eating one. Oh. Then I'm gonna put Tyler to bed in a bit, so I'm just coming on to end this vlog right now.
Mama,
That's right.
how can I eat this stupid ice cream?
Stop saying the word stupid. Stop saying that, okay?
Okay.
Stop using that word. So, since we're going to end the vlog, I'm going to let Tyler do a quick notification shout out. So let me find who it's going to go to today. Tyler, do notification shout out.
I mean, why do TV say that?
Can you do notification shout out, please?
Notification shout out goes to
Jackie Ajuma
Jackie Aduma
and
and
Effie's Queen 76.
Effing Queen 76.
Thanks for watching, you guys, and we're gonna keep sucking on our water ice cream and sucking English. We're gonna continue eating our Kisco and our water ice cream, whatever you guys call it in your country, and put my baby to bed. And baby and I'm gonna chill for the rest of the evening. So enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below. The Jamaican expression or word for today is kuya. Kuya. If you hear Jamaicans say kuya, it's like we're saying look here. Kuya.
Kuya.
Tyler say kuya.
Kuya.
And is also a clothes brand by the name of Kuya. A clothing brand.
Okay.
What's the French word for today, honey?
Tyler, what's the French word for today?
What's the French word for today, Tyler?
Dis un mot français.
I don't know.
Just say one. Just say a word in French.
What is your favorite animal?
What is I don't know in French?
Je sais pas.
Exactly.
C'est pas.
Je sais pas.
Good job. So there you guys have
You
the.
say it right. Most of the kids will say je sais pas, and you say je ne sais pas. You say it right.
Good job, Ty. There
Good
you
job,
guys have the
Tyler.
French expression from Tyler, the French word, whichever you decide. Je ne sais pas
Je
means
ne sais pas.
I don't know. Anyway, you guys, catch up and keep up. We love you guys. And we will see you guys tomorrow.